Hey, good morning. It's Monday, February 3rd. It's about 7 o'clock. We're getting ready to head back to the airport, and then we're going to pick up our Jucy van, camper van, and we're going to head down to Waitomo to go to the Waitomo Caves. That's the plan for today. Just quickly want to show you the Airbnb we stayed at in Auckland. Little bedroom. And then kitchen and the living room. And then a little bathroom. So this was quite nice. I would definitely highly recommend this place, and I would definitely come back here. We got our van. We've been here at the Countdown Supermarket. Tasha's got the GPS. We're going down to Waitomo Caves. We went to the warehouse. We bought a tent. We bought some groceries. Once we got out of the hectic Auckland traffic, we could finally enjoy some scenery. It took us about 2 hours to get down there. There was some road construction, and the hardest thing for us was the GPS talking to us in the metric system. So it would tell us to take a right turn 400 meters. We had to figure that out real quick. So when we arrived at the caves, we decided to just go ahead and stay at the Top 10 Holiday Park there. It was close, and well, why not? So after parking, we took a short walk to the visitor center for our 3:45 tour. I highly recommend you do an afternoon tour. The tour buses were gone by the time we got there. We did the 2-cave tour. So first up, the first cave, absolutely no photography or video taking in the cave. So just have a few pictures going in and then coming back out. The boat is manually pulled with ropes, so no mechanized boats in there. And then after we finished that, we had a little walk back to the waiting area where we were waiting for a shuttle to go to the other cave. The shuttle came, I think, I don't know, maybe around 4:30, and we had a short drive down the road and then a short walk. And there we met our tour guide who picked us up for the second cave. The second cave, we had to walk down this spiral ramp that you just saw in a picture of. And it was a walking tour. We were in there about 90 minutes. I highly recommend this tour. This was a lot of fun. Our tour guide was very knowledgeable, as both of them were. And just to see the stalagmites and stalactites, as you can see in the footage here, is amazing. They're actually lighting up the rocks so that we could see the glowworms here, so you can see them hanging off. That was really cool to actually see them. And then as we walked through into the cave by the river, it was like being in the galaxy. Up our Jucy van. Give you a tour. So we got a bench. This will be our bed. There's a table underneath here as well. And in the back, Natasha's stuck in the kitchen. We have a little sink. And then a little compartment that has our dishes. And then we have a little pull-out stove down here.